Hi everyone, it's me, Carol, back with another tutorial for you guys. I let my hair down for you guys today because today we're going to be talking about scuba friendly hairstyles. I know, not really a common topic that you think about when talking about scuba diving, but for women and men alike with longer hair, it does have the potential to make or break your dive. I've seen it time and time again. You go down looking all cute on the boat, everything's put together, and then you come up from the dive, and it's like Loch Ness Monster. So, let's talk about how to tame your mane. I am going to be showing you what I do personally in this video, but then I realized not one size fits all, so I'm going to make subsequent tutorials with suggestions on how to manage fine hair, medium hair, and thick hair on your dive. Without further ado, my mission was to get away from using hair ties. You wouldn't think it, but you see that little glue right there? The more my hair saw sun and salt, the more brittle it got, and the more these demon rings severed my hair, to the point people were asking me about my bangs. I wasn't supposed to have bangs, so I did away with those. Now, what I do now is I have a hooded vest. And I know what some of you might be thinking. Carol, I'm not really into that strangulation thing. I'm claustrophobic. I don't like my ears covered. I can't hear my buddy if they need me or if there's something cool. Very valid concerns. I totally hear you. But a lot of scuba companies are now making vests where the hood is a different thickness than the bodice. So, for example, this vest, I love this vest because it has a 2.5 mil bodice, keeps my core nice and warm, but the hood is only 0.5 mil. The hood is only 0.5 millimeter. So it's nice and comfortable, keeps all my hair together, but I can still hear my buddy if they need me, if there's something cool, or if they have a problem. So I still like to keep my hair orderly underneath my hood. And I bring it into a bun. For those of you who know how to do that, great. For those of you who don't, I'm going to show you. So, I lean back and I run my fingers through my hair. Yeah. And now I take my thumb and I put it next to my ear. I take this part of my hand and I put it on my forehead. I do that on either side, so I look kind of shady. And I just run my hands back through my hair and I gather it in my left hand. I'm right-handed, so if you're left-handed, I apologize, but you might have to reverse this. But I have my hair in my left hand. Now what I do with the rest of my hair is I gather it up and I transfer the ponytail to the other hand. I'll show you. So I gather and transfer. Gather and transfer. Now the last one, I just go right up Main Street and gather everything into my right hand. Now that hand positioning is a little awkward, so just for comfort's sake, I transfer it one last time to my left hand. My right hand is free, and I twist my ponytail, kind of like you would in math class, until there's so much tension on it that I could let my left hand go. I take my twisted ponytail up and around, and I make this cute little cinnabon in the back there. And now I can get my hood involved. So I take my chin, and I pull it up and everything is together. My mask isn't going to pull my hair. My snorkel's not going to pull my hair. Everything is nice there. And the best part is, after my dive, I know my hair is going to be wet, obviously, but I just take my hood off. I shake out my hair, and it's like easy, breezy, beautiful scuba cover girl over here. No knots, no tangles, everything is great. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and remember, there will be subsequent videos to come, so look out. Otherwise, we can't wait to have you down here very soon. Blow some bubbles with you, and have a good time. See you.